The length of a squash court is 9.8 metres. Trevor hits the ball, so when it bounces off the front wall, the height of the ball from the floor is given by h of x 3.6 plus 0.6x minus 0.1x squared, where x is the horizontal distance of the ball from the front wall of the court. Using a graph, determine whether the ball lands at the point where the floor of the court meets the back wall, thus producing a good shot. Well, that would probably be a good shot because it would just land in the nick of the back wall and the floor, and therefore be very, very difficult to actually get back by your opponent. Okay, now to the mathematics. So we need to draw an accurate graph of h of x is equal to 3.6 plus 0.6x minus 0.1x squared. So using the calculator function on your calculator, making a table, or alternatively you'd have to put 0 in, 1 in, 2 in and work out each of the values. But most calculators have a table mode now, which you should try to work out how to use. So using the table mode, you're going to get 3.6, 4.1, 4.4, 4.5, 4.4, 4.1, 3.6, 2.9, 2, and 0.9. Now we probably want to take just one extra point just to improve our accuracy a little bit. So we'll just take the 9.5. So when that's 9.5, we put that in there, we're going to get 0.275. Right, the next step is to actually draw the graph. So making a set of axes, so this is the x-axis, this is h of x, plotting the points, so 0, 3.6, 1, 4.1, 2, 4.4, 3, 4.5, 4, 4.4, 5, 4.1, 6, 3.6, 7, 2.9, 8, 2, 9, 0.9, and our extra point at 9.5, 0.275, and then join these points up with a smooth curve and label the curve h of x is equal to 3.6 plus 0.6x minus 0.1x squared. Now this point here is where it hits the floor, so this is the point that we're interested in, whether this point here is where x is the horizontal distance from the wall is 9.8. This you could consider to be the front wall of the court, and this you can consider to be the length. So we can see that that is 9.8, therefore point where the ball hits the floor will be 9.8 meters from the graph, and therefore that was the point where the court, or the floor of the court, met the back wall of the court, therefore thus producing a good shot. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to plot a quadratic graph for a practical situation in a game of squash. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.